We're coming to an end with this video series, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Why don't you solve your trading problems now? Stop doing the same things in the same way, like in the past. How can you expect a different outcome doing the same thing over and over again? You are confused and frustrated? Be aware that you need to get on your trader development path and grow. You see, you don't want to be stuck or completely lost. In that state, you will not only consistently lose money, but it's a terrible state to be in. Let's just talk about the journey of one of my students. When I met Rick, he was jumping the gun at whatever moved. This discretionary style of trading gave him great excitement. However, he did not follow any trading system. He was just randomly trading the markets. He was a completely unprepared trader, a small fish. The big fish were feeding up on. His trading style was more like a gambler's hobby than a serious undertaking to make money. Rick got hit hard a couple of years back, accumulating big losses. After that, he became more cautious, even scared, but he still continued trading with no plan and no trading strategy. Actually, he was completely unaware how that could ever look like. The losses were mounting and becoming consistent, nagging at his self-esteem. He was hoping for things to improve over time, but this never really happened. When Rick came to my futures workshop, during the breaks, he always wanted to talk about current trade opportunities. He was very astonished to find out about what a trading system is, the individual components, the edges, the logic of the rules, and the beliefs behind. I understood that he was kind of a perfectionist with a lot of energy to succeed. He was already retired, selling a very successful business, but trading seemed to follow different rules. The approach that made him successful before seemed to not apply to trading. After the workshop, Rick put all his energy into trade simulating the systems while receiving guidance along the way. He nicely grew with the group. He came to understand all the traps that had been laid out for him, the unprepared trader, while he could just not see them before. Rick still struggled here and there, then had big breakthroughs. I could clearly observe how out of a healthy struggle, tremendous growth can emerge. With lots of enthusiasm, he rapidly grew along his trader development path, learning from his mistakes as we applied the concepts of deep practice. Rick is my role model for a novice trader to grow very rapidly into a consistent, seasoned trader in less than 8 months. When he was scared before trading, now he trades the markets with a cool, calm, and confident mind, just following his clear set of rules, his trading strategies. What a difference that made. This personality shift from consistently losing to being a winning trader has first stuck him, till he got accustomed to it. By now, he has grown into a beautiful big fish full of confidence. Nowadays, Rick lives with his family in California, full-time trading the markets. He has become an independent trader with his own special style, and I'm very proud of him. Let's come to the plan. It's an easy 3-step plan. First, learn 3 straightforward trading strategies with an edge. Second, practice trading these systems, applying the concepts of deep practice, and climb up your trader development path. Last, trade the markets and grow your equity with a cool, calm, and confident mind, the 3 C's. Become part of the group of masters traders. You don't want this to take 10 years. It can be done in a few months only. So why don't you register and start doing the prep work now? Let's make a step back. How does successful trading look like? Well, you want to be the captain of your trading, competent and confident, scanning the markets for the patterns with low-risk entries. It takes me just a couple of minutes to detect opportunities and maybe another 10 minutes to place alarms and set my orders. To be clear, you will still experience dips and phases of frustration. Trading is and will always be frustration management, but with the right mental state, this can easily be overcome. I invite you to make a move and put the time and effort to join the group that is going to form with this upcoming workshop and grow with it along the way. If you focus on what is important, then you can go off like a rocket, same as many others did before. So why do you not sign up now and get the first bonuses sent to you? Be aware that we have packaged this as a no-risk trade for you with huge upside potential. Why don't you start your journey now as well? Take care and looking forward meeting you soon.